Today's project is sponsored by a company called Renegade. They deal with pro pads and pipe pads. Basically, these are for chrome, aluminum, stainless, all that kind of thing to polish it up. I don't know if you guys remember, but when I first got the truck, someone had drilled holes in the bumper and put driving lights, and of course they were broken and everything else, and there was a bunch of rust around it. I took a couple of these pads. First I tried the red pro pad, and it cleaned it up really, really well. These are infused pads for cleaning stainless and everything. It's all in a sealed container. They're reusable. These are their red pads, and as you can see, it took a little bit of stuff out of them, but they already have the polish infused in them. So you don't have to add anything to them. You just take them out of the shell or take them out of the container and use them. These red pads are a shinier polish pad, and then they've got the pipe pads it's got the infused polish for chrome and stainless. These things work phenomenally. They're pricey, of course, but they're quick to remove whatever rust or what have you. I mean, when I grabbed a hold of the red pad and did the bumper, the rust was gone in a matter of seconds. The only thing I will suggest is, because they are an infused pad, do use the gloves. Do use a pair of rubber gloves or some type of glove to keep it from getting on your hand, because it is very, very, very saturated. What's cool about these is they're multiple use, meaning that once I used it once to clean that bumper, I just put the pad back in here, sealed it up, and it was good to go. So definitely, if you're doing some heavy detailing, these are real good to have around for cleaning aluminum, stainless, and chrome. So definitely get yourself a set of these. I got the 2-pack, really, really good. I was really surprised how well this stuff took rust off. I mean, it was like, boom, gone. So I can't wait to try it on my aluminum rims out here on the Mustang, because they need a little bit of a cleanup, and definitely want to use these to do it. So I'll put a link to them down below in the description, but definitely want to try them out. They're today's sponsor.